What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Drinking with Kevin, the show where I make one cocktail I've never made before with one of my friends. And today, we are here with the lovely, the talented, Mary K.
What's up, party people?
All right.
What are we making?
Since we're here today with Mary, we're making a drink called the Mary Pickford.
What?
Named for Canadian-American film actress Mary Pickford, known in her prime as America's sweetheart during the 1910s and 20s.
Aww.
This is you, and this is Mary Pickford.
Oh my God.
See the resemblance?
Literally the same person.
To make this drink, all you need is white rum, pineapple juice, grenadine, maraschino liqueur, cherries, and for your tools, you'll need a cocktail shaker, a jigger, and a bar spoon. We're gonna open up our cocktail shakers, fill them with ice.
Kevin, I always have you make my drink.
I know. All right.
Okay.
I didn't think about towels.
Swear wrong. I'm good.
All right. First, we're going to pour in our rum. So you need 1.5 ounces of rum. Smell it. It's a real cooking show. Aw, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, you did great. That's pretty good. Next up, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. It was really hard to find pineapple juice. They have every other freaking juice in the world. But I had to search high and low for this. This is high quality organic pineapple juice.
Top shelf pineapple juice.
Don't skimp on your pineapple juice. Very important for this drink.
Very important.
All right, so we're gonna do the same amount of pineapple juice. Fill that up to the top.
To the top.
Nice. Then we're gonna need 1/4 an ounce of grenadine. So the grenadine's gonna give it a nice red, pinkish color.
Perfect.
Mary's favorite color. I don't think that's really your favorite color.
No.
Not her favorite color, but we're gonna say it is.
It is today. Wait, up to the...
The one for you went a little bit over, but it's fine. Don't put more in.
It's sweet.
Sweet and tart. And lastly, we need some maraschino liqueur. This is made from distilled cherries. This brand's from Italy.
Never had this before.
So we only need a little bit of this, so we're just gonna use a bar spoon.
We'll just...
A little bloop.
Just a little eyeball.
A little eyeball it, whatever.
Can I just... No, I'll use the spoon.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the spoon.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
I like to put a little extra.
extra everything in Mary's.
Right.
Nice tap. That was a good tap. So now we're gonna seal up our shakers. Make sure everything's tight.
We do not want this.
We do not want this all over. We're in my living room right now. I know you can't tell, but we are in my living room.
Wait.
When you shake it, make sure you have your hand on the top. And give it a little bam, 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 bam.
Kevin, you should be a bartender.
That's good. I am a bartender on my own show, Drinking with Kevin. So you can do this in a martini glass or a similar glass. These are martini glasses. All we're gonna do is open the top part so this top little part comes off.
Ooh. Ooh.
Very fancy.
You might like it, Kev.
I think I'm gonna love it.
You might like it.
I think I'm gonna love it. Lastly, we're gonna garnish it with maraschino cherries. These are the good cherries. They're gonna cost you.
Top shelf.
But don't skimp on the cherries.
Don't. All organic, top shelf.
Organic.
Maraschino cherries. They're not organic.
Definitely not organic. And then
plop it.
just plop it. Also, because they're fancy cherries, they might have pits in them. So when you eat it later, be aware. Stay safe out there.
Pop.
Whoa.
Did I mess anything up?
Get off my set.
Get out of here.
Taste test.
Taste test. Cheers.
We're like,
I like it.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's different than like what I normally drink, obviously.
Definitely. Similar to what I drink. Sweet. But you can taste the liquor.
But tart.
But it is sweet but tart.
Sweet but tart.
You nailed it with your original description.
I read that on the internet. It's time for the questionnaire portion of Drinking with Kevin. This is where I ask them 9 or so questions.
Oh my gosh.
that are very important to their well-being. And if they answer them wrong, they can never come back. Question number 1. Would you rather go to the bar, club, or stay in with your cats?
I
don't know if she has cats.
Why would you add that
cats?
at the end? Real deal, I think I'd like to
Stay
in with those cats.
That's fair. They're cute cats, I've met them.
They're pretty cool.
Shout out to Fluff. That's the better one.
Peach is way more special and way more cute.
Question 2.
Number 2.
If you could only listen to one song for the next 6 months, what would it be? Take a drink.
This is that. It was James Taylor. I was trying to think of James Taylor.
Aw, yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how weird are you?
An 8.
I would give you a 7.
7?
So you're less weird than an 8.
That's good. So like the real me is probably just a little bit weirder than maybe you even know.
Oh, all right. Ooh, okay.
Nice. That probably looks cool.
2020 election.
Ooh.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Is it Johnson or Johnson? I don't even know and I'm a fan.
Johnson.
The Rock, Kanye West, Oprah, or a write-in of your choice. Who you picking? It's a big year, 2020, gotta prepare now.
I'd probably go with Oprah.
All right, Oprah it is.
Oprah.
Oprah 2020, the future is female.
We can wear pants.
We can wear pants. Would you rather have fame or fortune?
I don't want to be famous, so I'd rather have fortune.
Perfect, buy more stuff for her cats.
Yes.
Or buy more cats.
Probably.
She's cat rich. Oh. Do you have a spirit animal? And if you don't have a spirit animal, what animal would you like to be?
I like...
Wait, is it spirit animal or animals you like with Mary Kay?
It's just like...
I like elephants,
It's like cat.
rhinoceros, cat, and cats.
I feel like I'd want to be a bird. I don't have a specific
Just any bird? Like a little bird or a big
Like,
bird?
I want to be like a cool bird. Like, I want to be like a hawk.
Ooh, swooping down, eating cats.
I just want to fly free. I just want to like... What would you...
Oh my
wait.
What is up with these cards?
You're not throwing them well.
What TV show are you currently into?
Ooh.
Hashtag binge life? That's what the card says. I didn't write these.
I want to say shows that,
You can say
that you hate when I bring them
all
up.
your old shows. Mary likes to watch shows 5 to 6 years after they matter.
Right now, I'm watching The Good Wife.
Ooh.
And I feel like I'm a lawyer. And I feel like it's really cutthroat.
Do you think you'd be a good lawyer?
I think I could be. I think like...
When it comes down to it?
I think if I had to fight for people, I would be able to get up and speak and like crush it.
Do they fight for like people who are innocent or like...
Sometimes they're people that they think, like you might think that they're guilty, but they like solve the whole scene and that person really wasn't guilty. Sometimes you think you know, but you don't know.
But you don't know.
You don't know.
Don't be telling people they did it unless you know they did
So don't try to always assume that you know.
it. Life advice from Mary Kay.
Sometimes they did do it though.
But also, sometimes you're fucking guilty. Do you have any hidden talents?
Hidden talents.
Yeah, like, you're obviously talented, but like, is there stuff you can do that people don't really know about? Nope. We should cut the next question.
Nope.
What was the best purchase of your adult life? Could be small, big, best thing you bought as an adult, other than your cats. Man, why she always gotta say her cats? This show needs like to have different topics.
I like a lot of like very adult things though. Like I like my slippers, I like puzzles, I like...
Mary is secretly like 86.
That's why I gave myself one notch up on the weird part.
I like puzzles in my slippers.
I do, I'm in a book club now.
Ooh.
How'd you drink that so fast?
Because I'm a drinker. All right, that's all we have for you today. Thank you, Mary, for coming on this episode.
Welcome, Kev.
Cheers to drinking with Kevin.
Cheers.
I don't have anything to drink because I drank it.
I think I just spilled up my
Think there's a kid in it?
I don't think so. but maybe.
It just said it on the label.
Oh, it did say there was a pit?
No pit.
No pit. Confirmed. There is no pit.